course, we all are the fucking used. I want to dedicate this next song to all the old school punk rockers here today. Since it's the last fucking Warped Tour, let's see some last Warped Tour worthy circle pits right now. Open that shit up. 100% yes. And ladies, if you've never been in a circle pit, now's your time. I want to remind all of you that at a used concert,